Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add an icon to your WordPress site. So the icon is actually pretty important. Currently, as you can see up here in my Chrome browser, it just has the WordPress icon. And this is going to carry over across a lot of different things. This is going to carry over to, I know, at least like Google Analytics sometimes, and then also Google Search Console. So it is pretty important and it helps with branding. I've already uploaded an image for my icon, so it doesn't take too much steps. You just go over to media here. You could even do this when you are adding the icon in the actual customized portion, and then you could add new and then have you drop in the files. All right, but let's go ahead and jump into the icon portion. So I'm going to go to appearance and then customize. All right, then from here, I'm going to go to site identity and then scroll down, and I am going to, underneath site icon, select the icon. Again, here you could also upload the files that you wanted to have be the site icon. I'm going to have this one over here, this little wooden block, be the icon, and hit select. And there we go. It has changed the site icon to that little block that we have. And as you can see, it changed it up here in the tab icon. So I'm going to hit publish here. And there we go. That is live on our website, that the icon has been changed. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.